Hi, I'm Gab Villacarlos. I'm a tattoo artist here at Studio Amping. I didn't think I was going to be a tattoo artist. At a very young age, I feel like I knew I was going to draw for a living, but not on skin. So, I feel like nahitabog yun yung studio because tattoo artists like us, or people are in here, really don't fit in any conventional tattoo shop that's already here in the city. So, we made our own space. Before we had this shop, we had a dry run of this back in my house. We turned it into a studio, a tattoo studio for at least, I don't know, about 2 years siguro. And we were there, and then it was kind of like this. Kind of feels like a house. Then just when this place arrived, we just decided to transfer it here. So ano siya, more cozy, ano siya ba, homey lang ang vibe. My art is based on dealing with people. I feel like shopkeeping is an art form. Tattooing is an art form also, dealing with clients. I feel like this tattooing practice that I'm doing right now is just not ink on skin and bleeding. I feel like it's also dealing with people and being a better person. It's a holistic practice ba? The shop has been open for a year now, and we've seen these types of people come in here, mga mushroom growers, mga people that are open to pushing the boundaries of this art form, I feel like. And people that, I don't know, jive with us. You know, the scientists, like mga weird people that are really cool and we're really down to, nerd it out with you guys. At Instagram, we are at Studio Amping. Everyone is there. Our artists are there. You can DM them for inquiries and bookings. Everything is there. Everything is in Twitch is there. Studio Amping is located at the second floor of Atuab, Midtown. Corner F. Manalo Street and Queens Road. Hi, I'm Gab. Catch Studio Amping on Kita.